Ko-fi is a platform made for creators who want an easier, more personal way to earn support from their fans. Unlike Patreon, which focuses on monthly subscriptions, Ko-fi lets supporters make one-time donations or buy you a coffee without the pressure of ongoing commitments. It's perfect for artists, writers, streamers, and even freelancers who want to accept tips, sell digital products, or even offer membership all in one place. What makes Ko-fi great is how simple it is to use. You can set up a page in minutes, share your link anywhere, and start receiving support instantly with no platform fees on one-time donations. The interface is clean, customizable, and doesn't require your audience to create an account just to support you. Ko-fi also supports shop features, commissions, and memberships, giving creators multiple ways to earn, whether you're just starting out or already have an established following. Of course, there are some downsides. To access advanced features like analytics, higher storage limits, and better customization, you need the Ko-fi Gold subscription. It's also less community focused than Patreon. There aren't as many built-in engagement tools for managing fan interactions or exclusive content drops. Patreon still wins for creators who rely on tierly monthly memberships, but Ko-fi offers much more freedom and flexibility. Overall, though, Ko-fi is an excellent choice for creators who want control, simplicity, and even zero hassle. It's transparent, easy to use, and lets you earn on your own terms. If you prefer lightweight, no pressure alternative to Patreon that gives you powerful tools to grow and get paid, Ko-fi is definitely worth it.